Hello everyone, this is my review of the Pupka Toenail Fungus Treatment Kit. I liked how easy it is to use. The precision applicator makes it simple to apply the formula exactly where you need it, without any mess. The consistency is nice and lightweight, and it absorbs quickly instead of just sitting on the surface. After a few weeks of regular use, I began to notice that the discoloration and brittleness of my nails were visibly improving. It didn't happen overnight, but the gradual improvement was noticeable and encouraging. I also appreciate that this formula uses natural plant extracts, which makes me feel more comfortable using it daily. I didn't experience irritation, and it feels gentle enough to use on both toenails and fingernails. Another small thing I liked was that the applicator pen makes it easy to stay consistent with treatment. I didn't have to fuss with complicated steps or tools. I just applied it after a shower and went about my day. Overall, if you are dealing with stubborn nail fungus and want something easy to apply, gentle, and that delivers tangible improvements over time, this treatment pen is worth trying. It helped restore the appearance of my nails and gave me confidence to wear sandals again. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.